Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Thank you guys so much for coming. Today we are going to be doing the Allure Beauty Box, and super excited that it is paired with Huda Beauty this month. I had heard rumors that that was going to happen. I wasn't sure, and then I had seen on a thumbnail that yes, indeed, it was happening. I have not watched anything or any spoilers on this. As always, I try my best to stay away from that, so that you guys can see the surprise element when I open my boxes with you. So if you don't know, Allure Beauty Box is a $15 a month subscription that you get pretty much, I mean, there's like 5 to 6 deluxe sample, sometimes full sizes in here. And for $15, I'm so glad I jumped on this train for this box because I have not had any disappointments with this. I enjoy getting this box every month. If you guys would be interested in doing that, all you have to do is go onto the Allure website, sign up for it, and it's $15. Very easy. So, without further ado, let's get into this box because I have been waiting to open it. All right, Huda Beauty. See, Allure always does good things with these. I love them. I love them. I love them. Never a disappointment. So when you open it up, this is what you will see. And it says, with passion and purpose, every dream is possible. Huda Katan of Huda Beauty. I think I'm saying that last name right. I'm not sure. You do get a little pamphlet. Do not read it if you want to know what is in there ahead of time. It tells you exactly what's in the box. I've made that mistake before where I read it to you guys and then I'm like, oh, I just read the whole entire box. So I will go through this as I go through the box. So once you remove that, this is what you see. And I am going to pull out the bag, which is super cute. I love these bags. They have been coming, I think, the last 3 months this way. This one is pink. Can't complain. I love it. These are very useful. The old bags that I used to get that had the little snaps would always come cracked and opened on the edges. So I'm super happy with this. All right, so let's get into, well, actually there's one thing that's outside of the bag. So before we start in the bag, and then, oh, I wanted to show you that too, because that's really cute. A picture of her down inside that box. Super cute. That's really cool. Allure's always good with stuff like that. So I've never had one of these. I'm super excited. Here is a Huda Beauty liquid lipstick. I believe it's liquid lipstick. Yes, liquid matte. So here is, yay. Oh, and it even says alluring on there. That's so cool. Huda Beauty liquid matte. Okay. And let's see which shade. Oh, I guess the shade is alluring. That's cool. So the shade's actually written on the packaging. I wonder if that's like with all of them. Let me know in the comments if you guys have tried this formula. And if that's like an everything or all the time thing. So it comes out of here, super cute. And let's see. It does have a smell, but it's like a really good smell. It's not a bad smell at all. Oh, this is red, you guys. That is a red lipstick. Excited. Way to start the box off. Love it. I don't know if it says, let me get a makeup wipe because I don't want to get stuff all over the place. I don't know if it says anything in there about that. I'm scared to open this because as soon as I open it, I'm going to see the, okay, good. So the first thing was actually that. I didn't want to spoil anything. All right, so this says Huda Beauty. I guess I should probably have that here. So Huda Beauty liquid matte lipstick in alluring. Finally, I have been dying to tell you about the stunning orange red lip color that we created with Huda Beauty for your July beauty box. As in, you can only get this you can only get this tube of bright matte summer perfection right here. So this was specifically made for the Allure Beauty Box. Awesome. When we first dreamed up this super sexy shade, we made a collage of one of our favorite runway lip trends, and then we passed the baton to Katan? I don't know if I'm saying that right. She took our color inspiration to her crack product team and soon shipped her favorite orange red options to our office. The rest was easy. It took us about a half a second to identify the shade more flattering and eye-catching than any orange red we'd tried before. It doesn't say how much this is. I think her lipsticks run around $20. See custom code on the coupon in your box to receive 25% off of your order. But it doesn't say how much it actually is. So I think they run like 20 bucks. All right, so pulling out the first product in the bag, it is a Benefit product, and it is the Ka-Brow. Okay. And Benefit Ka-Brow Cream Gel Brow Color. Other brow products require delicate artistry, but this cream gel couldn't be easier to use. Swipe it on with the cap's built-in brush, and its buildable waterproof formula bulks up brows and sets them in just a few strokes. And the full price for this is $24. I have shade 3, so hopefully that is good for me. I've never tried this product, so I'm actually excited to get this because I've been wanting to try it. And that is what it looks like when it comes out of the packaging. It's super cute. Packaging killed it. And yeah, it's got the little brush there. Awesome. And let's see what... I'm dropping things. Let's see what the color looks like. It's so cute. It's so tiny. So I'm going to just do a little bit of a swatch here on this thing, just to see if the color is going to work for me. And it looks like it. It definitely looks like it. So that is the color right there. Definitely like a soft brown. Hopefully this will be a really good product, and I am super excited to receive this. Okay, so moving on to the next item. And it's starting to get hot in here already. Every time I wear my hair down, I get hot. All right, so moving on to the next item. This looks like it is a perfume, and it is, and I'm still dropping things. K-Alley Vanilla Perfume Sample. And it is with notes of Vanilla Orchard, Tonka Absolute, Brown Sugar, Amber Woods, Musk. So there's that. That's what that would look like. And the full size of this is a $65 bottle. And there's your full size right there, what that would look like. It says, oh, okay, so I guess she picked this as well. Catan. Tell me if I'm saying that right. And her sister Mona launched K-Alley fragrances together, and their line's velvety vanilla scent is one very decadent perfume. It's like cake batter for the most luxurious wedding cake you've ever seen or smelled, but the blend of Tonka and brown sugar is also balanced by amber, vanilla orchard, and musk that give it just enough edge. The scent radiates a vibe that's equal parts sexy and strong, like come hither, but also bend the knee, you know? Okay, so don't knock perfume samples. I have a couple over here. I'm not going to spray it because you guys can't smell it. I told you the scents, so I don't know. If you guys have tried that, let me know. I'm not really into the vanilla scents. I normally get like flowery scents or citrusy scents. Okay, so the next item. Oh, I didn't even know what this... I was going to say, I don't know what this is, but then they're lashes. That's nice. And they're actually lashes that I probably would use. Samantha No. 7 Classic. Very, very pretty. Very cute and wispy looking. Huda Beauty, a classic lash in Samantha. These floss lashes are one of Katan's all-time... I'm just going to say Huda instead of butchering the name. Is one of Huda's all-time bestsellers. And it's easy to see why. They look dramatic in the box, but when I put them on, they were wispy and pretty. They looked more like fresh lash extensions than a crazy fan of false lashes. These are priced at $20. So very, very cool. Some people don't like getting lashes in boxes, but I do. I like trying new lashes, so that for me is amazing. That's the I mean, the value of this box is insane anyway, but right there is the box. All right, so there are, looks like 2 more products left, and this one is Way. I love Way products, so I'm excited for this. This is texturizing hairspray. Let's see. Oh, I didn't get the, okay. So you could have got the Hangover RX Too Faced primer. which I have not tried, so that would have been kind of cool to get. Or you could have got the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil or Eye Pencil in Zero, which I'm glad I didn't get because I have plenty of those, and I have plenty of the Urban Decay ones. So this is, full price would be $26, and basically it's just a texturizing spray. I'm not going to go through, everybody knows what a texturizing spray is. These products are really good. They smell good. I've never had an issue with them. I love the leave-in conditioner. So I would probably recommend, I mean, I'm going to try it out, but I would recommend that you would try the leave-in conditioners and stuff if you can get it. Really good product. Okay, so it looks like this is the last item. There are, okay, so there's that coupon. And then they've done this before, and it's a spoiler. You're going to want to see this. We're giving you an exclusive sneak peek at some of our favorite products coming up in your August beauty box. Scratch off to reveal. I do not want to scratch it off to reveal because you guys know that I like the surprise element. Okay, so this is the last item in the box, and it is a mask, hydrogel mask, 24 karat gold snail Tony Moly Intense Care Mask. That's a mouthful. Okay, so this is priced at $10 for this mask, and it says, I know it sounds gross and sticky, but this sheet mask is infused with snail mucin, M-U-C-I-N. The slimy stuff actually shockingly feels heavenly on a hot summer day. It's cooling and hydrating and plumps my skin immediately. Plus, there's a real benefit to snail, I don't know, a popular K-beauty skincare ingredient. It's a complex mix of peptides, antioxidants. I don't know why I tried to read this because I am not going to be able to say that word. That word right there, I am not going to be able to say. Hyaluronic acid, zinc, copper, iron, and manganese. The powerful cocktail helps soften lines, calm inflammation, and promote collagen production over time. That means this sheet mask does everything a good sheet mask should. Makes skin radiant quickly and then some. So, I like getting masks. I'm not knocking that. So, I mean, it's a really big package and it's very, very thick. So we'll see about that. I definitely will use it. And that is it. So, what do you guys think? I absolutely love Allure's boxes. The fact that it is with Huda Beauty this time, I am like super stoked. So let's recap. All right, so we have the perfume sample, which, okay, I mean, it's a $15 box. I'm not saying anything bad about this box because I definitely got my money's worth out of this box. So the lipstick that was specifically designed for this box, the Cabral product, Benefit Cabral product, the Way texturizer, the lashes, and the, is that it? Okay, yeah, that's it. And the mask. So what do you guys think? I think it is amazing. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products. Crazy. Right there, 20 bucks. Right there, 20 bucks. So that's 40. This is 10. That's 50. I mean, and then you have your sample size stuff. So you're looking at probably like an $80 box for 15 bucks. Can't complain. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to leave me a comment, like, and subscribe because you guys, it means so much. It really helps my channel out, especially since I'm a beginning channel. And, you know, I want to keep doing these videos and all that for you. So it's definitely fun to interact with you guys. And I think that's it. So I will see you guys in the next one. You guys have a fantastic day. Bye.